Hey folks, this is Basant here, and today's video I am going to cover Dreamlit. This is a tool with the help of you can leverage AI to connect your vibe coded app database and send out the various emails on the automation. Whether it's your new users onboarding or welcome message, it's your password recovery, it's your notification, it's your broadcast, you can send everything. And you was thinking like it's not a big task. We can send any or use any email sender to do that. Let me tell you, this is not a easy task. You need the coding skills or the API to connect with your vibe coded database here. Okay, you cannot just do the vibe coding. So with the Dreamlit now you can do with just few chats here. So let me talk about this Dreamlit platform here, give you a detailed demo and tutorial how you can use to connect with your vibe coded database that you have built on the Bolt, Lovable or any other platform and send out the various emails like I have done here. So simply what you have to do, you have to connect your database here. So simply go to database connection, and after that you will find out the connection available. Simply click here on the add connection and you have to log in on the database here and select this project, and you are done here. So once you have done that, you can go to its workflow, and after click here on the new workflows, here you can find out the various templates available that are the pre-designed for you. For example, if you want to send a welcome message onboarding email here, you can use this pre-built prompt here, welcome new users immediately, to increase the activation using the auth users. So this auth users you need to connect from the database. You cannot simply just give the command on your email sender. Okay, you need to connect with the database. I hope you are getting my point here, and for that you need the coding or the API. But if you are using the Dreamlit here, you have to simply give the simple English prompt here like this. Here I have given in the English prompt, you can see that I have built out this welcome email to new Superbase user, and every time a new user row will be added in the database, it is going to send out this welcome message. So I have just built out just giving the chat here or the prompt here in the plain language, and it has built it out everything. It has automatically find the raw of the users in my database and connected with the email sending platform here. So let me show you out how this email look like. So this is the email it has built for me, and you can see it looks really clean and the good here, and it is also using its system built email address to sending these emails to my users here, although you can also connect your own domain here. So this is the quick demo I have given you. I know it's pretty much tricky. Until I will show you the process and the step-by-step tutorial, you will not able to understand. So in the plain English simple terms, let me give you the overview here. So you have built your vibe coded app on the Bolt, Lovable or any other platform. For me, I have used the Greta to build out this amazing score predicting app here that going to predict the scores for the exams for any medical student here. Okay, so I want to send out this report to directly on their emails. So I tried to just do that in the vibe coding, and I am not able to do that because this needs the really connecting or the integration skills with the coding or the API. So I will not able to do that here with the any Bolt app or the Lovable app. I need a really good tool. So I used the Dreamlit here. So first of all, I have connected the database here. I have gone to the database connection. I have connected here of this database here. So once I have done that, I have just gone to the creating the welcome or new user onboarding email here. So let me show you how I have done that. So simply click here on the new workflow. Before you use this workflow creation, you need to connect your database here. Okay, after that you can see we have the pre-designed templates available. If your working template is not available, you can simply give the English instructions here and it will build for you. So right now this is the pre-designed template available for onboarding new users, so I will use that. You can see this is already going to paste here, and you will see that there's this thing that is going to connect the users data row from my database here. Okay, so that is particularly integrating my database with this Dreamlit. So once I have just done with my this prompt here, I can make the changes, I can also improve, or I can also add a different function in this prompt here. So click here on the enter, and now it is going to analyze my database. It is going to draft the this trigger of the integration, and then it will give me the 2 steps here that I need to simply tick to generate the emails for me. Okay, so right now it is working out everything. It can take few seconds to visualize and going to plan the draft of email for you, so you have to wait for that few seconds. And let me tell you, it is uh, so much easy compared to the manually coding or going through the different APIs here. Okay, so we need to wait. And now you can see it is start working out. So it has configured the database trigger, and it is also draft this email for me. You can see this is the email it has drafted, and everything is done here. And now it is will give me the plans here. You can see this is the plan, and I need to simply click here on the apply, and this email that is showing out here on this blank canvas will be start drafting out in form of a automation here. So let me click here on the apply, and now you will be see this is the starting point, and it has added a database as the trigger, and this is the second step. So right now it is still loading up, and yeah, this workout, and now it is going to draft a welcome message here in the next second step here. So this is working out. Okay, so we have to wait until this is the processing here, and then we have the other two emails in the automations as well, like add 3-day wait before this tips email. This is the product tips emails, and this is the add 4-day wait before checking in. So everything it is loading up as the plan here, and I need to simply click here on the apply uh, to add this thing in the my email automation. So once everything is done, it will also give you to send a testing email on your email address or any other email address to test out whether this automation is actually working pretty good or not. So that's how this Dreamlit platform let you create the different emails for the different purposes and the different working outs in just like a chatbot system here. And this is pretty much advanced here. So if I go to the add a welcome message, you can see, let me close this one. This is the welcome message, and it is going to give me the preview here. So yes, use the sample data here. Okay, so you can see this is the sample data it has built out. Okay, and I can send out this email to testing out is this working out or not. So let me click here on the yes send test email here, and now I have to go to my that email address, go to here, let me, yeah, you can see I just received the email here, and you can see I don't need to connect with the different APIs. I don't need to connect with the email sender. I just need to connect my database with the Dreamlit, and it is going to handle everything. It is going to generate the emails automations for me that I need to just apply here, and it will be added in my automation system here. So that's how the Dreamlit platform let you do that. I hope you understand how this platform works out. So this platform is pretty much amazing if you want to build an app with the vibe coding and also want to apply the email series automation here. So right now it's lifetime deals available on the app. So the pricing is so much affordable, just the $79, and this is the lifetime plan. So if I go to the its pricing section, we have the 3-tier plans available, and every tier plan can give you the access of the how many the notifications or the emails you can send per month. There's also the bonus credits that you will see, and like I said, it is going to automatically set up everything. You need to just connect the connection of your database, and everything is built and they handle with here. So right now what I suggest, go with at least the tier 2 plan, because the limitations or the credits are actually pretty good here. You got the 20,000 notifications and the 100,000 bonus credits here, and not only that, we have also the these systems available like the AI workflow builder. I have showed you this is the AI workflow builder here. This is the workflow, and this is built by the AI. You have to simply click here on the apply the stuff, and the workflow is starting to building out. Okay, then we have this thing that is the add delays. It will automatically going to add the delays. There's the dynamic data. If there's the data changes, its workflow or sending out the notifications will also change. That called the dynamic stuff, and that thing is also here. Okay, so that's how you can use the your Dreamlit platform. I hope you enjoyed. This is pretty much a technical tool that only used by the SaaS user, web app builders. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any questions around the Dreamlit, just let me know in the comments. I will happy to answer them here. So I have given you the detailed demo of the platform, what this platform, how you can use it with the step-by-step tutorial, how you can build your own workflow here for the connecting the app here. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, and that's all for today's video. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.